Want to see a fight? Should I show the crunchy part?
Yeah.
Oh, Seagull got it.
My fingers are in the way.
Seagull got it.
He's mad. Hello. Hello. Ah. Look, that was almost a fight. He's pretending he's not interested, look. The crow made that noise, eh? Oh, this is his wife. Eat your food, Kalen. Don't throw it to them. Oh, he pooped, and I got it right on tape. Yummy. Let's call him Lisa. He's going for it again. And his little friend is coming over to try to get some. Look. He's like, how do I sneak in there?
Oh, the other guy in the back.
What'd you do that for? They weren't even ready. What are you doing? The food's over here, buddy. You blind? He's having trouble with that. He's probably gonna end up choking. How the food goes like all the way down his nose or mouth or? Should you bring the laser pointer? You would have liked it. This one looks like he's gonna poop. He's just here to poop, I think. What do you think, eh? Feed me food now. I'm hungry. Feed me food.